Some funnel builders are a lot easier to use than others, and I'm going to point you in the direction of one that is super simple to use. So much so that I have seen comments such as, "I love this funnel builder," and "This funnel builder is fun to use." People who have never built a funnel before are surprised to find how quickly they can start building their own funnels. It can be used for a lot of other things as well, such as creating booking forms, e-stores, membership courses, and digital courses. It also provides affiliates with 80% residual commissions on every sale. If this all seems too good to be true, I suggest you try it out today. This is my affiliate link, https://promptfunnels.com/B.